Hello guys, this is me, Teacher Janet. This lesson is all about location sentences, where the focus is. So let's start with lesson number 6, step 1. Example number 1. Nasa probinsya ang mga magulang ko. Example number 2. Nakinamang Ramon ang mga estudyante. Example number 3. Mabait ang pulis na nasa kalye. If you want to be more specific with the location, you can use a noun phrase consisting of a location word and a more general location joined by the particle nang. Here are some examples of location word. Number 1. Nasa ibabaw ng. Number 2. Nasa ilalim ng. Number 3. Nasa itaas ng. Number 4. Nasa ibaba ng. Number 5. Nasa kabila ng. Number 6. Nasa gitna ng. Number 7. Nasa harap ng. Number 8. Nasa tapat ng. Number 9. Nasa likod ng. Number 10. Nasa labas ng. Number 11. Nasa loob ng. Number 12. Nasa tabi ng. Number 13. Nasa dulo ng. Number 14. Nasa pagitan ng. If your focus is a person, then you will need to use personal pronoun consisting of a location word. Number 1. Nasa akin, nasa atin, nasa amin. Number 2. Nasa iyo, nasa inyo. Number 3. Nasa kanya, nasa kanila. There are also demonstrative locative pronouns that are used in some location sentences. Number 1. Narito, nandito. Number 2. Nariyan, nandiyan. Number 3. Naroon, nandoon.